A day after the police failed to detain Subrata Roy after a non-bailable warrant was issued against him, the Sahara chief has surrendered in Lucknow a short while ago and has been taken into custody. He will be produced before the chief judicial magistrate at 1 p.m. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court in Delhi also turned down Roy's plea, saying it is not possible for the special bench to assemble today and hear his plea. And joining us are reporters, Pranchu joining us from Lucknow. We also have Poonam who's joining us from a Delhi hotel where the news conference took place, and Meenakshi joining us from the Supreme Court. Coming to you first, Pranchu, we believe at 1 o'clock is when the Sahara chief will be produced in front of the chief judicial magistrate.
Yes, that's right. In fact, no official timing has been given, but yes, we had a word with at least a couple of senior officials, and they say that they are just waiting for the transit magistrate to sit in the court, and then he will be produced. So that seems that he would be produced probably after lunch timing. So that is around 2 p.m. he would be produced before the concerned magistrate. Since it's the last Friday of the month, so therefore the courts are closed. That makes the point very clear, because now he would be produced only in the front of the transit court, which is the only court that operates on the day when the courts are generally on a holiday. So that is the process which is going on. At this point in time, we are outside the Sahara Sheher. Subrata Roy is inside Sahara Sheher. At least 12 policemen are inside there. Police says that he has been taken in custody, and now he would be produced before the court. Before the court, his options are very limited. What our sources say, that Sahara chief would try to put some sort of a bond before the court, requesting him to give him a bail on the assurance that he would appear before the Supreme Court on 4th of March. But then that remains clearly in the ambit of the court, that whether it accepts Sahara's application or not, or decides him to send into a judicial custody or on a transit remand.
Pranchu, stay with us. Also, let's go across to Poonam. Poonam, earlier this morning, Sahara had a news conference in the capital. Subrata Roy's son, Sumanta Roy, clearly stating that his father is innocent. But it is a fight that has been brewing between SEBI and Sahara for a while now.
Absolutely. Today's press conference was practically brought to light the fact that Subrata Roy was not able to present himself before the Supreme Court because of his ailing mother. In fact, Sumanta Roy, Subrata Roy's son, kept on defending his father and gave a chronology of what happened since 23rd February and so far. In fact, in this news conference itself, he broke the news also, the fact that his father has surrendered to Lucknow police. And in fact, he also stated that they have moved an application to the Supreme Court, stating the fact that because of personal reason he could not be present at the Supreme Court, and he is a law-abiding citizen. He was not being evasive or absconding, hence he has surrendered before the UP police. So certainly his matter should be taken into consideration and the Supreme Court show some sort of leniency on him. This is what exactly the plea was. In fact, he also stated that the legal experts are now deciding on the future course of action, because a non-bailable warrant from the Supreme Court is something which is very rare. So Subrata Roy had no option but to surrender before the police, because otherwise he would have been absconding for this matter. So now what is going to happen next is up to the court. Since he is going to be presented before the magistrate today at 1 p.m, it depends whether the police ask for a transit remand and bring him to Delhi, or he waits till Monday when Supreme Court sits and hear his matter on 4th of Feb, or maybe on Monday if the application is moved. So there is no clarity on whether which course of action will be taken. It will be at 1 p.m. that some sort of clarity will come in this matter.
Okay, meanwhile, his son Sumanta Roy spoke to the media after holding a news conference denying his father was evading the law.
You know what, this has been interpreted by the media and by everyone that he's been avoiding the arrest. That is not the fact, because when I said, like I read, he was not there when the police came in. The moment he landed, the moment he realized that there's some situation, today he's walked and demonstrated that. Because he himself has called the police and said, and he surrendered over there. So you can't say this.